Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, in this tutorial, I just want to show you guys how I just do an edge up, because you know what I'm saying, I'll already be showing you guys how I do the whole haircut and plus the edge up. But on this particular tutorial right here, I just want to just focus on just edging up my client. So the first thing I did, you know what I'm saying, I had a fan blowing towards me, like in my garage. So there wasn't much that I can do other than, just not spraying, because you know what I'm saying, I didn't want to spray the whole spray in his face like that, and the fan was blowing on him. But anyway, what you want to do, you want to start in the center and work your way to his right. I've already done this side, so you know what I'm saying, I'm kind of skipping a few parts in this video. But I already worked my way to his right, and I didn't start on the vertical bars just yet, because you know what I'm saying, I just want to show you guys how I used to edge my clients up before I started doing it a different way. But I started in the middle, worked my way to the right, and then I jump on the other side and work my way to the left. Then I would start on the vertical bars. But yeah, that's all it takes, man. So let's just enjoy it until we get to the vertical bars section. Okay guys, so after every haircut, you know what I'm saying, you got to take your time to do that sharp edge up, because you know what I'm saying, that what brings the whole haircut out. So the way I'm doing my vertical bars, I kind of hold my trimmers a certain way, because I don't feel comfortable holding them another type of way, because it's how you flicking your wrist when you try to do the vertical bar area. But this is the most trickiest part right here. Okay, I used about 2 or 3 teeth of my trimmers, and I'm kind of like try to find that foundation where I want my vertical bars and my temper peak point to meet up at. So take notes and everything, man, because you know what I'm saying, this right here, I used to have trouble doing that, because instead of making a C cup, I used to make a straight cup. You know what I'm saying, it wasn't no C cup, it just was a straight line. And so I had to, just teach myself. But it took years of experience to learn what I'm doing now. But as you notice, I'm just using the corners of the blades, just, just mark my foundation so I can go back and clean it up. But other than that, man, look at that fade. I mean, the haircut gonna come out fresh anyway, so I might do a full tutorial on the haircut, you know what I'm saying? But I just feel like I just want to talk about the edge up more, because on all my tutorials, I barely just talk about the edge up. I always just go through the whole haircut process and, let's just break it down, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, if you stuck around long enough, man, hashtag Prince in the comment section, man. And you know what I'm saying? I'm here to do them cuts and everything, but I work a lot. So, you know what I'm saying? That's the whole point of me not really just putting out haircuts. And anybody that be in my live stream, man, y'all make sure y'all come in comment section so I can shout y'all out on my next live stream or on my next tutorial. So other than that, let's get it. I bet some of you guys did not know I was even-handed. Man, come on, man, Black Prince the Barber. But anyway, you know what I'm saying, look at that fade, man. Look how, before I even put the edge up on him, man, you know what I'm saying, that fade is clean. But I just want to show you guys on this side right here that I can edge over my left hand, and then I just fall back on my right hand, even-handed. But you know what I'm saying, you got to know what you're doing. It's just like playing basketball. You got to learn how to shoot with your left hand more so than with your right hand if you're a right-handed person. You know what I'm saying? But we're not talking about sports. We're talking about this fade in the barbershop, not the fades on the court. But yeah, always take your time and make sure, you know what I'm saying, whatever you do to one side, you do it to the other side, because you know what I'm saying, you want everything to fall in place as is. But make sure you line your client up and make sure everything is even on both sides. And when it comes down to the C cup area, I'm kind of using about 2 or 3 teeth of the blade on my trimmers. And shout out to Coco, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, you want to mark that foundation, and then you want to start like not at the top, you know what I'm saying. You just want to mark it at the top, and then you find your way from the bottom so it can lead to the top. But as you know, I'm kind of like, it's like I'm sketching his C cup so I can know where to fall back to. So I'm not irritating his skin or nothing like that. For the people that are going to be in the comments hollering about, hey man, you irritating the client's skin. No, I asked him before I started, and you know what I'm saying, he was real comfortable with that. So yeah, I'm edging them up, I'm getting a straight edge up, and let's just continue to watch this process in the making. All right, guys, pretty much on the back, you know what I'm saying? I'm just going to use the tip of my trimmers, and, you know what I'm saying, just start, you know what I'm saying, nitpicking that edge up. But you do not want to fall with that whole blade behind this ear, man. You know what I'm saying? Just use some of the teeth, and then, you know what I'm saying, you just mark your foundation as you go. But there's always time for cleanup work. So make sure, you know what I'm saying, you sketch it out before, you know what I'm saying, you really just get serious with the final, you know, work of what you're doing. Because you just don't want to go nobody edge up one time and say, hey, man, look, that's it, I'm done. Nah, Even though the edge up is perfect, man, just still go over it. That's where, you know what I'm saying, you can challenge yourself to do better. Because every time I put out a video, you know what I'm saying, I want that video to be better than the last one I got. Because I think a couple of months ago, I did a tutorial, and I got 15,000 views less than 3 months. And I was like, oh my God, bro. So if I get 15,000 views on this video, I'm going to make the next video, you know, better than this one. And so that's what I'm trying, you know what I'm saying, aim for, because I want all my videos to be better than the previous one. So yeah, but anyway, you know what I'm saying, you want to just take your time and edge them up at the back or whatever, you know what I'm saying, so everything will be neat. Because like I said, like I always say in all my videos, whatever you do to one side, make sure you do it to the right side or the opposite side that you're working on, because, you know, you want everything to match up. All right, guys, I already explained that opposite side earlier, but I just want to take time out. I just want to appreciate all my subscribers, you know what I'm saying, for, you know, joining me in my live streams, man. So that's a big blessing, you know what I'm saying. You guys helping me push forward with everything that, you know what I'm saying, I'm doing. So I just want to give a major shout out to all my subscribers. I mean, it's like you guys pushing me to, you know what I'm saying, do better than what I'm doing. So, you know, it is what it is, man, you know what I'm saying, because I'm not just that YouTuber that just gonna upload videos and just say, hey, I got a lot of subscribers and never shout nobody out. You know what I'm saying? I'm different. I'm cut differently than that. But yeah, I just want to appreciate all you guys for following me. And yeah, I really do enjoy my live streams, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. My live streams be lit up. So only thing I need you guys to do is to just turn on notification, because I live stream every night at 8 o'clock. And, you know, we be, you know, just having fun, turning up, or, you know, just talking cash, money, whatever you want to call it. But, yeah, other than, you know, just being a barber, man, I'm more of a family-oriented person. So, you know what I'm saying? Hey, with that being said, man, hey, I just consider all you guys as family instead of subscribers. I mean, I love to conversate with you guys, you know what I'm saying? I love to have fun with you guys, you know what I'm saying? That makes me feel better than what I am now, because, you know, I'm reaching out to you more other than, you know, just only cutting hair and uploading content. Come on, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, this is the final results of the whole edge up process. The next one will be the full tutorial on, you know what I'm saying, how to do the fade before the edge up. But I just felt like I should start doing something different, man. But other than that, man, look at that edge up, man. Check that cut out. Everything is on point. So I just want to let you guys know that I'm here as well as, you know what I'm saying, you are there for me. So if you guys have any more type of haircuts that you would like to see me do in the future, just let me know, comment below. And you know what I'm saying, for the people that stay here to this point of the video, hashtag Prince in the comment section. With further ado, it's your boy Black Prince the Barber. May God bless. Peace.